Hey guys, I'm Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. And today we're making a dragon fruit smoothie bowl. So this is a really great fun spring recipe. Your kids will enjoy it. And if you've seen our granola video, this is a great smoothie to make to use that granola as a topping. So to get started, I'm going to put 1 frozen banana in the base of my blender. I'm going to put half a cup of frozen pineapple, 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds for some protein, 1/4 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, and last but not least, 1 pack of frozen dragon fruit. So this is going to be an unsweetened dragon fruit pack. And this is a really good superfood. It's a high antioxidant. It's great for inflammation. I think you guys will enjoy the color of it. And now I'm just going to blend this up. Okay. So now we have this super pretty bright pink smoothie bowl. So I'm going to get a spatula and pour this in my bowl. So pretty. And like I said, this is a really good antioxidant. It's a superfood. It's great for you. So to top my smoothie bowl, like I said, I'm going to use this house-made granola that we did in one of our previous videos. Just sprinkle some of this on there. I'm going to top it with some fresh blueberries, a few goji berries, which is another superfood. This is actually a complete protein, oddly enough, and some bee pollen. This is great. It's a local bee pollen, so it's great for seasonal allergies. And voila, you have a dragon fruit smoothie bowl. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the smoothie bowl. Be sure to subscribe, comment below, and I will see you next time.